What is Indo-China relations? In China's incursions into Indian territories has been reported opposite Ladakhs in JNK and Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. As the international boundary is not marked and the Chinese do not recognize the McMahon line, the ELAC line of actual controls has become the virtual boundary between the two nations. The problems is the interpretations of the LACs from the map of actual ground. Thus, the Chinese have entered the Indian territories opposite Ladakh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. But the same has been denied by the Chinese. The foreign ministries and the government of India have downplayed this incident. The India shares with China a common borders of 4056 kilometers. Some of the problems areas with China there are major affected both countries. Let's see the major problems areas with China are China rejected of McMahon lines as border between India and Tibet. Asylums given to Dalai Lama by the Indian government in 1959. The Chinese think the farmers is inciting the Tibet against the Chinese. Issues of Sikkim which the Chinese think was forcibly taken over by India, even now claiming 2.1 square kilometer of territory called area fingers. This Sikkim area fingers are known as the area fingers, claiming whole of Arunachal Pradesh as part of Tibet. 90,000 square kilometers of the Arunachal Pradesh is the part of the China's. It's claiming that Chinese blocking fund of the development of Arunachal Pradesh from the Asian Development Bank by contesting that World Bank cannot give fund for disputed area. Apart from this, another major roles which plays by the government of India and trying to block the exemptions waivers to India at the meetings of the nuclear supplier group, denying visas to Arunachal Pradesh resident on the ground they do not require any visas to visit China as they are Chinese citizens. Recently issuing visas to peoples from Jammu and Kashmir, staple visas and not stamped visas on the passport. The regions these peoples are from disputed territories. Some of the positive point we have discussed with India and China, which is major things to be know to each others. The trade between the two countries are developing has been stunned 67 millions and in 2014 and likely to touch 140 billions in 2017. No major places armed forces reported joint military exercise organized by the both countries. Indian naval ships visited China during the celebrating of 60 years of revolutions. India touring visiting China in a big way. India is the major supplier or supplies of service in banking, insurance and the software engineers. Goodwill visit by senior defense officers to China and Tibet to promote confident promotions between the two countries, sharings of informations of meltings of glaciers on Tibet. India and China are thus emerging countries of the world. Both have grown populous number one and number two. The boundaries of the Indo and China spread over 5 Indian states has been dissolved. The spirit of Panchshils has been injected to solve these problems. India has sought the Samut Dalai Lama so that our relations do not suffer. We both must go as companions and not an opponent. India is also caring of build its infrastructure so that it is not a suppliers like 1962. India and China join hand fight terrorist, global warming, recovery of economics, which is the burning issues of the world. if you have listened in 15 and 16 June 2020, this Galwan's valleys have disputed borders and 20 soldiers of the Indian armies have been dead and 43 more than 43 troops Chinese troops has been injured due to this scrambling. Scrambling means hatafai means the conclusion or conflict are still between two troops. This is the knowledgeable part of the Indians and China's. And one more thing I want to share with Chinese People's Republics of China, that known as the party was formed in 1947. 1st October 1947, Chinese People's Liberation Army was conducting the airborne during that times, and it's also win the from the British empires and finally made the PRC, People's Republics of China. Thank you. Bye bye. For more information, like, comment and share to my channels. Bye bye.